Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Moment with Chisom and Mom. We are learning meet creativity and beautiful moments. Let's get started. Welcome to another peaceful adventure. Today we are exploring a beautiful park with wide open green space, a golf course, peaceful walking path, and a lovely nature scenery. We even walk through the bushes where you can truly enjoy the fresh air and the calming sound of the nature. As our journey comes to an end, you will also see some beautiful flowers that added the perfect finishing touch to this relaxing walk. If you enjoy peaceful places, nature, and quiet moments, I hope this video brings a smile to your day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more creative moments.